Fenty Hair Deep Rich Moisture. You guys, that conditioner is the truth. My hair feels very smooth. This is not just any regular wash day routine. We got some Fenty, okay? This is the Fenty Hair. This is the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So if you don't know, Rihanna just came out with her Fenty hair care line. So I just finished shampooing my hair, just got out the shower. My hair is still pretty damp. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the deep conditioner to my hair. As you know, if you are relaxed, you should be deep conditioning your hair every single time you wash. If you're not deep conditioning it, then you need to be applying a hair mask, something that's really gonna penetrate your hair follicles, because when you relax your hair, you're already breaking those bonds and you're just damaging your hair. Like, let's be real. So I'm gonna go ahead, before I put anything in my hair, I just wanna show you guys, like, this is a up to, and this is how my hair looks wet. And I'm just gonna part my hair. It's already kind of parted. I'm just gonna part it in two a little bit, and just, I use a lot of products, so I'm just gonna take what's on here. That's a lot. A little bit goes a long way with this product. Okay, and I'm gonna just, I always start off at the bottom. I like to start off at the bottom and then work my way up. Oh, this feels so good. It feels very like hydrating, moisture. Oh my gosh, the moisture in this is insane in comparison to a lot of other products. I'm gonna part my hair like this and just really coat the hair. And I like to really focus on like the roots, like where I have the new growth, especially being as though we relax our hair, we don't relax the whole hair strand. So I like to really make sure I'm focusing on my hairline as well, because baby, y'all know I just had a sew-in and my hair did break off a little bit. So I just want to really make sure I'm coating my hair. So I'm going to finish coating my hair with this, and then I'm going to let it sit. Let's see if it tells you how long you should let it sit. So this doesn't specify how long you should let it sit, or it doesn't really give you an instruction. I guess you're really just supposed to know how to use it. That's the only thing I would say. Maybe it's at the bottom. I'm not seeing it. If you have this and there are instructions, then let me know. But as I'm looking at the packaging, I'm not seeing any instructions on how long they recommend you to leave it in. So maybe they forgot that part. Alright, so my hair is mostly dry, it's just a little bit damp. So what I'm going to do is, I didn't add any extra product, but what I am going to add is the Verb Glossy Shine Protectant Heat Spray. The Verb is Extra Hydration Glossy Shine and Heat Protectant. It's just a glossy shine spray. I'm just going to spray a little bit in my hair. Ooh. I'm gonna flat iron my hair so you guys can see what it looks like, but so far so good. Like this Fenty hairline, I think we might be like this, we might be locked in. But you guys, look, don't worry about the ends, we're gonna trim those, but the hair is looking really good. The hair is looking good, and there's some shine to it. It looks healthy. I just wish I could dye my hair black, but it looks really good. It's looking good. Okay, Rihanna. Okay, so my hair is washed, flat ironed, deep conditioned with the Fenty Hair Deep Rich Moisture. You guys, that conditioner is the truth. My hair feels very smooth. I do have a few flyaways. I need to put a little bit of oil at the top to keep that down. But you guys, my hair feels so hydrated. It just feels amazing. And I'm so glad I got that product. Now that I have that, I really want to pick up the shampoo and the conditioner and the mask as well, like the whole set, just to have the whole set to use it all together to see how it really performs on my hair. But if you're looking to try out one product, I highly recommend the deep conditioning treatment, because baby, it is that girl. Make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and thank you, Rihanna, although you didn't send me a package, I bought it myself, but we love you, girl. Thank you so much, because my hair needed this.